Hello again, welcome to Mastercam course. In that lecture, we're gonna try to create that kind of model in and actually Mastercam. Okay, when I am turned to the milling operation, when I am turned to machine, I'm gonna hit the lathe and default machine is selected. Okay, we are ready right now. Okay, this is the machine group 1 and machine group 2. I can delete actually one of them. So I can select one of them and hit the delete button in the keyboard. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's start with here. I'm gonna start with that line. This is the diameter 50. I'm gonna turn to the wireframe and hit the line endpoints. I'm gonna start from origin and reach here. This is, I'm gonna hit the line endpoint with the freeform. It's selected. I'm gonna start from origin and hit here. After that, I can write my length. My length can be 25 millimeter. Okay, this is the 0 point, and then I can turn to here to create this one. This is the 15 millimeter, I think, and then I'm gonna start from that point, and then we're gonna reach here to create this one. While I am creating this one, we need to write my degree. My degree and 108 plus 20. Okay. Length is not important. I'm gonna turn to horizontal line. And then we're gonna start from here to here. And then we just need to write my axis offset as a 20 millimeter. I created this line right now. Okay, after that, actually I need to keep going. I need to create this line. Okay, this line with diameter 60. So we can start from origin to with vertical line. Okay, let me delete this one. This is created. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the line endpoints and vertical line. I can start from here and reach here. After that, I need to write my axis offset as a minus 80 and 85. Okay, so after that, we can also need to write our length. Our length can be 30 millimeter. Okay, we need to click here. Okay, after that, when I am turned to here, this is actually 40 degree and 20 minutes degree here. So I'm gonna start from here with the freeform, and then we're gonna start from that point and we're gonna hit here. And then when I'm calculating my degree, actually, okay, let me check here. This is my line. Yeah, this is the 30 millimeter and my position is correct. After that, we're gonna hit here and I'm gonna start from the end point of that line and we're gonna reach here. Okay, after that we need to actually write any length here, is not important. When I am turned to here, I just need to write minus and 40. Okay, and the minus, we can use this stuff here, and 20 divided by 60. And then it's calculated automatically like this. Okay, so yeah, maybe we should change that stuff. That degree is like this. So when I am extend here, let me check. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, this is actually minus This is actually minus 40 degree. This is the plus of 20 minutes. Okay. Yes. After that, we can turn to here and trim two entities, and we can use this stuff to handle all that trimming process. Okay, this is the actually and 60 millimeter diameter, and then we're gonna reach that place, and then we can turn to the vertical line and to create this one. This position is minus 105, and then any diameter, so that's why I can write maybe 20 or 10. And then we can use the trim two entities options and clear both of them, and then we can delete it. Anyway, let's create our radius here. I need to hit the fill and fillet options, and radius 4 is calculated, and then we can also calculate radius 5. We can calculate radius 5. Okay, that's it. I can turn to here and create some free form like this one. It can be 10 millimeter maybe, I don't know. Okay, that's okay. We can save our file. And then let's try to create our toolpath. Okay, I'm gonna create quick finish toolpath here. I can use the right mouse button and Lathe toolpath and quick finish toolpath. Okay, this is gonna be my tool. I'm gonna double click on it, and then I can change my corner radius. And then we can turn to here to organize our feed rate. This is millimeter divided rev, and then we need to use the constant cutting speed. So my spindle speed calculated automatically. If we hit the and here, it means that we're gonna use and actually constant cutting speed, and then it means that we're gonna use changing our spindle speed. That is cutting speed. It's coming from our tool properties. This is 200 or maybe 250. We need to select one of them, and then we can turn to here. This is the quick finish parameters. This is the one number of finish passes, and this is my finish step. So this is 1, so that part is not important right now. And we can turn to the lead in process. This is my lead in and this is my lead out process. And then when I am hit here, you're gonna see that no chain selected as a actually finish parameters. So I need to hit here to select my chain. We're gonna start from here and here, and then this chain is selected as a contour, and then compensation calculated by the computer. This is my radius. My radius compensation gonna calculate it according to this compensation type. This is the parameters options we're gonna see here, and then I just need to hit OK button. And then we're gonna see that that's kind of toolpath. So that's not okay for us, and we actually want to see the some toolpath in this area. So I need to turn to parameters. I need to turn to quick finish parameters, and then actually we need to change actually our plunge parameters. But when we turn to here, we cannot see any plunge parameters here. Okay, so we only have and extend stock contour option. So this is not active because we cannot, and we didn't create any stock setup right now. So we cannot plunge in parameters here because this is the quick finish toolpath. So that's it. And for the quick finish toolpath, actually, if you intend to use this part, we need to use the right mouse button and Lathe toolpath and finish toolpath actually. And then starting from here, we need to select our chain starting from here to here. And then we can select the same tool and we can organize our feed rate and cutting speed and maximum spindle speed. If you use the constant cutting speed, it means that we're gonna use the changing our spindle speed. So that's why we need to write maximum spindle speed here. And then we can turn to the finish parameters. One finish parameters is gonna apply our model with that stock leave x-axis and that stock leave on the z-axis. And then this is gonna be my lead in and lead out process. It can be 1 mm lead in and 1 mm lead out with that direction. And then we need to activate plunge parameters. We cannot see that in quick finishing toolpath. And then we can activate it and hit the OK button. And then let me check my simulation here. You can see that we created that kind of toolpath. Okay, you can also see that compensation is calculated automatically according to my tool radius. Okay, we can save our file. So when we turn to here in the quick finish parameters, you can see that maximum spindle speed is calculated like this. We cannot see any maximum spindle speed here. This is actually, and the cutting speed, we cannot see any maximum spindle speed as finish toolpath. And also we cannot see any plunge parameters here. Okay, this is my contour section is selected like this. Anyway, we're gonna see the finish toolpath and quick finish toolpath here. You can also use the finish toolpath or quick finish toolpath. And thank you very much to listening to me.